Hey guys, welcome back to Snappy Fishing. Today we have a three-part video for you guys. Starting off with some poking around inshore in Stewart, and then I tried my luck snook fishing, and then lastly we tried using a balloon for kite fishing offshore. This was a fun video where I tried a lot of new things, so stay tuned until the end. What's going on, guys? It's Snappy Fishing here. I just got done casting some mullet. And you can see that I also have some live shrimp in there, and I have sand fleas in the cooler. And I'm out here fishing for a little mix of pompano and Spanish mackerel. I'll play the clip of the barracuda that I just caught. It had some colors that I've never seen before. I'm not sure if it's a different species or what, but I've never seen a barracuda that looked like that. But I'll keep the head mount on and we'll see what I catch. What is this? Is this a barracuda? I've never caught this in my life. Got something on. Doesn't feel very big. Little sailor's choice grunt. This guy behind me is a commercial guy. He's catching one every 10 seconds. I've caught nothing but garbage. Okay, we're gonna switch things up here. I'm gonna pull anchor and head inshore and see if we can get any pompano inshore. So I got a little 4-rod spread going. 3 of them have like pompano rigs on them. One of them has a live mullet with a weight. And then I'm gonna throw this pompano jig around. If we don't get anything doing this, then we're in trouble. So what's interesting is that I think that the tide is going this way, but the wind is blowing so strong this way that it looks like the anchor is coming this way, but the tide, like the actual water movement, is going over to the right. So I might just not be very good at fishing. We tried fishing a little bit longer at that spot, probably like a solid hour, and the tide is almost high tide, so I'm gonna try something different. I'm done with the pompano. I'm gonna try to catch some sheep's head and black drum maybe. Wish me luck. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go from buoy to buoy for just until I get to where I want to fish for the sheep's head and black drums, and see if I see any triple tail. All I see now is very shallow ground, so I'm gonna move on. So we're at the next spot. We're at this bridge here, and I've got this rod with the sand flea and shrimp. The one in the back has another live mullet on it, and I'm just gonna be fishing a live shrimp here, and we're gonna see if we can catch any sheep's head. I don't think I'm gonna be trying this for too long, because I've been watching these people and they haven't been catching anything for the 5-10 minutes I've been here, so we'll have to see. Oh my goodness, do you see all them down there? There's literally 100 snook underneath the dock. Oh, what? I just got the smallest one. There was like something like at least 30 inches down there. Here, I'm gonna go over there, see if I can get a better better view. Oh my goodness, look at that snook down there. That's a 34-incher at least. I'm just gonna try to go for this one. This one's... Oh my gosh, you got scared away that easily. Shoot. I had something bite it. No clue what it was. Don't see him down there anymore. These are some smart fish. We just got out to the spot. We filled up the bait well with some blue runners and grunts, and I'm about to get the kite rig set up. So I'm gonna use this balloon, this Chiefs balloon. The Super Bowl is tomorrow, so this is what Publix had. And I'm gonna tie it to my line and see if that can work as like a balloon slash kite, like a much less expensive version. I'm just gonna try to make sure the balloon doesn't go into the ocean, because that would not be great. All right, so I have the balloon hooked onto this rod. And now my goal is to tie this to this clip. And that way I always have this thing attached to my rod here. But then I'll have this clip. Actually, maybe I'm not going to use the clip, because then that's going to weigh down the balloon. Yeah, that's going to hold the balloon down. Scratch that idea. I'm just going to do a light knot to this swivel here. And hopefully that it'll just give out when a fish bites. But I'll still have the balloon attached to this rod. Okay, so I'm hoping that when a fish bites, this line will either break or come loose. It's actually not very hard to come loose. But even if the balloon is still on there, that's not the end of the world. Here, I'm gonna test this out for just proof of concept. There was a dead grunt in there, so I'll try it with that. I was actually gonna try to hook the fish in the back like this. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh shoot, I forgot to open this bail. Yeah, let me try that again. Alright, that doesn't cast too well. But let's see how it holds the bait up. Well, the bait is on top, but I think that it would be floating anyways. And that balloon is kind of staying right on the top of the water. The last time I checked, helium balloons float up in the air. Now it's back in the boat. Okay, this might not work as well as I was hoping. Here, I'm gonna try this with an actual bait. Okay, so I'm dropping down this bottom rod right now. And I'm about to make the executive decision that this Chief's balloon is not gonna work for what we're trying to do. It's just gonna end up getting tangled. And I actually saw a school of what looked like blackfin tuna that just came right near the boat. And so I'm thinking we might try to catch one of those, depending on if we keep seeing them. I know I didn't catch too much in this video, but I was trying a lot of new things. So please like and subscribe if you want to see some more videos where I actually catch more fish.